How to use WhatsApp accounts in one Android. If you want to set two numbers in one real WhatsApp app, then here is how you can do this. To do that, before that, make sure to update your WhatsApp app from the Play Store, otherwise it won't work. Now open up your WhatsApp application, tap three dots icon from the top right corner. Tap Settings. Then tap on the arrow icon which is located right side of your profile picture. Now tap Add Account. Tap Agree and Continue. Enter your WhatsApp number. Tap Next. Then tap Continue. Now fulfill your account information. That's it. Here is your two account in one WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you can use two accounts in one WhatsApp. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.